Morocco has a traditional festival of Rabat.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do
Rabat
is
City is the
to
capital of Morocco.
please. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise,
Casablanca is the largest city in Morocco.
I'm still stuck in self